Happy Wins Wednesday. I'm Paula Williams with ABCI, and ABCI's mission is to help aviation companies sell more of their products and services. And this year, of course, that means video is a huge topic for a lot of our clients and for us as well in terms of making sales of our products and services, reaching customers, building relationships, demonstrating products, explaining concepts, overcoming objections. All of those things can be done with video. Today, though, I wanted to kind of zero in on 3 ways that video can help your search engine optimization. So a lot of us are concerned with getting found on the web when someone is looking for the product or service that you sell. So if someone is looking for aviation insurance and they type that into Google or any other search engine, where your site shows up on the list of results depends on how optimized your site is. And video is one of those things that Google and the other search engines look at as part of your quality score. So this is kind of the first way that video helps search engine optimization is your quality score. So if a search engine has a choice between 2 pages, one of which has a video on it and one of which does not, it's going to rank, all of the things being equal, of course, it's going to rank the one with the video on it first. It's going to give that a higher quality score, thinking someone has put more time and energy into building this material. It's going to be more valuable for the person that's searching for this topic. People like videos. The search engines know that. So they're going to prioritize pages that have embedded videos and websites that have embedded videos. So number 1, video helps your quality score. Number 2, video gives you another opportunity to mention your keywords and talk about your topic. And now you're thinking, well, search engines can't really see what's in my video. They're just robots, they're just machines. So they can't watch a video and evaluate, what is the subject matter of this video. But everywhere that you post a video, of course, you can also include metadata. You've got your alt tags or metadata about that video that explain to the search engines what this video is about. And you can also include a transcript of this video. So, when we do our book club, as an example, we get a transcript made of that book club discussion so that we have everything that everybody says right there on the webpage. So that's a lot of keywords and a lot of material for the search engine to evaluate. And so it's going to see that as very high quality material that goes into a lot of detail about your topic. So that's another way. Way number 2 is keywords and transcripts. Way number 3 is that you're hosting often your video on YouTube. YouTube was purchased by Google. YouTube is also an enormous search engine in and of itself. It is the world's second most used search engine after Google. So if you have a video on YouTube and it ranks well for the keywords that you're after, and we have many of our videos rank number 1 for the keywords that we're after, and we try to shoot for that for our clients as well. It's actually easier to get a YouTube ranked or a video ranked as number 1 on YouTube than it is to get a web page ranked for number 1 on Google, because there are so many web pages about aviation topics in particular, and there are not nearly as many videos about aviation topics. So it's a lot easier to score well with a video than it is with a web page or with text material or anything else. So those are 3 ways that video can help your search engine optimization. Number 1, improves your quality score. Number 2, you can include those keywords and transcripts on a video. It's just another opportunity to include those. And number 3, you can host your video on YouTube and get a second crack at those search engine searches. So if you have questions about video marketing or questions about our video marketing workshop, give me a call. Our number is 702-987-1679, or you can email me at paula@aviationbusinessconsultants.com. We love questions, and we love helping aviation companies sell more of their products and services. Talk to you soon.